Are you exhausted from sleepless nights, desperately searching for a way to help your baby to sleep so that you can finally get some rest too? In this video, I'm going to share with you simple research-backed strategies that you can use to help your baby fall asleep faster, sleep longer, and more consistently so that both of you can finally get some rest. Now, first, let's talk about why your baby has these sleep disruptions, because understanding why your baby may be waking up in the middle of the night is the first step towards fixing them. One of the first things that may be interrupting your baby's sleep is that your baby may just be hungry. Babies, when they're first born, are super small, and so they have really small stomachs, and that's why they get full so fast, and they need to wake up often in order to feed. And so if your baby is a newborn up to about 5 to 6 weeks, then you just kind of have to ride that rough patch out where baby is waking up frequently and there's not too much that you can do about it. You just need to feed baby a lot. The next reason for sleep disruption is discomfort. Now, if your baby has a wet diaper or a soiled diaper, that may make baby uncomfortable and cause baby to wake up. In addition, if the temperature of the room is too hot, that can make baby feel uncomfortable and cause your baby to wake up. Sleep regression. Sleep regressions are just these naturally occurring and unavoidable periods in a baby's life where baby sleep pattern regresses to an earlier stage of development. For instance, baby will typically go through a sleep regression at around 4 to 5 months of age, and then again go through another one when they're between 10 to 12 months old. And so baby will just regress to a lower sleep pattern, their sleep cycle will become disrupted, and you kind of have to ride through that rough patch. Here are 3 ways to naturally support your baby's sleep without training and without tears. So the first one is create a predictable routine for your baby. That routine can include giving baby a warm bath. After you finish giving baby the bath, give baby a nice rub down or massage while you're putting some lotion on baby's body. Change baby's diaper, get baby dressed and ready for bed. The more predictable your routine is, the bedtime routine is, the more your baby will get used to that routine happening and know what that routine means. Those will be signals to baby's brain that, okay, we're getting ready to power down for the night and go to sleep. This is a swaddle technique that I got from a sleep specialist. You can see I have my blanket laid out on the floor. You take one corner, one edge of the blanket, starting here, make a little triangle like this, and then you're going to take your baby, put your baby to lie flat on the blanket, on their backs, and you want to make sure baby's shoulder is flush with the edge of the blanket. And the first step you're going to do is to bring this part over and bring it all the way over, and this is the most important part. You want to make sure this part is nice and tight. Tuck it in and make sure this arm is out. This arm can be out, but you want to roll baby over and tuck this part all the way in. The next step is you're going to bring the bottom of the blanket, bring this part up over here and tuck it under. And then you're going to take this last part that's left over here, this last roll, flip it all the way over baby and roll it all the way around baby, make it nice and tight, bring it over to the back, and then tuck it in at the top of baby's shoulder over here. And now, once you tuck that in and it's tight, then you're finished your swaddle. You can pick baby up and get into the rest of your comforting nighttime routine. Another technique that you can use to help to calm baby down during your nighttime routine is cradle baby in your arms and use a gentle massage of baby's face. You can go along baby's eyebrows, starting in the center, going out towards the side, each eyebrow individually, and down the bridge of baby's nose. As you do this, you will notice baby's eyes will start to close and eventually will stay closed. You can rub from the top of baby's head, coming down, and keep doing that until baby eventually keeps their eyes closed and falls asleep. You can also rock baby from side to side at the same time. Do your little nighttime routine where you Juggle baby, bounce baby gently up and down, and shush baby. Shh, shh, shh. Now that shushing is not to make baby stop cooing or stop what they're doing. It's just to muffle the sounds going on in the rest of your household. And those are my tips to help baby to fall asleep. Now you have to remember you are your own baby's best sleep tutor or sleep instructor. You know your baby best. You'll be able to figure out what techniques work for you and which ones don't. Take the ones that you feel would work for you and leave the rest. Okay? Talk to you in the next video.